Scanning documents serves many purposes. It's environmentally friendly, saves paper, and makes it easy to share documents via email. Here I've got my 30-page report which I would like to scan and send as a PDF. Now taking pictures might have worked for a couple of sheets, but now that would be a lot of work. In this video, I will show you how to use a Xerox machine to scan documents and store them on a USB drive so that you can use it on your laptop. Here I've got my 30-page report which I would like to scan and send as a PDF. First, we gotta keep all the pages we need to scan in the feeder tray. Next, we're gonna plug in the USB drive. As we can see here, the machine has recognized the USB drive and it asks me if I would like to continue. I select continue and then select the stored file option from the top menu. And then I'll adjust the color settings and the resolution for the scan and choose to scan only one side since my report was only printed on one side. After that, all we gotta do is press start. Within a couple of seconds, all the pages of my report have been scanned and have also been stored as a PDF in the USB drive. I'll just check the display to make sure it's been saved onto the USB drive, preview the contents, and finally transfer it to my laptop. I hope this video helped you. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Cheers!